Let's take a look at some of the top movers, some of the biggest stories of the day, starting with Roku. Shares of that, we just heard from Jared, pretty much higher today. A big jump to the upside, soaring about 11%. The move higher coming after the company reported better than expected fourth quarter results, noting in a shareholder letter that a, quote, muted ad space during the fourth quarter is improving so far this year, with ad spend from restaurants and travel leading the way. With today's jump, you're looking at a 5-day gain in the stock of just about 28%, Dave, and the highest level that we have seen for shares since at least September there. So the commentary, the view around the ad space, which we know is so critical for Roku, seems to be changing at this time.
Yeah, their shareholder letter you see there reading, despite tightening advertising budgets in Q4, ad spend on the Roku platform outperformed the overall ad and traditional TV markets in the U.S. You talk a lot about the struggling traditional television markets. Well, it is just continuing to hurt. Although Roku, not a great performance, but I guess another one of those you talk about lowered the bar and able to leap over it. But remember, this is a $473 stock back in July of 21. $473 stock. They do have a couple of good news coming down the road. They've got those Roku branded televisions coming out in the spring, which will be a big generator for them, they hope. And the other one, of course, is their partnership with DoorDash. We're going to break those DoorDash earnings here pretty soon, but they have an interesting new partnership with Dash coming online that should help the numbers in Q1. And then their biggest competitor, did you watch the Super Bowl? Obviously you did. You remember that ad that fooled everybody, right?
It did. It fooled me, and I got yelled at for it. Are you sitting on the remote?
Tubi, their biggest competitor, Fox's version of fooled everybody. So they are coming on their heels, although Roku has now reached, they believe, 100 million Americans.